In this JavaScript code snippet, we define a constructor function named car. The car function is designed to initialize new objects with three properties: make, model, and year. The keyword "this" inside the constructor function refers to the new object instance that will be created. After defining the constructor, we create a new instance of a car object by using the new keyword followed by the car constructor. We pass Toyota, Corolla, and 2001 as arguments, which assigns these values to the make, model, and year properties of the mycar instance respectively. Let's demonstrate how we can access the properties of the mycar object. Here, we're using console log to output the values of the make, model, and year properties. When we log mycar make, it outputs Toyota. Similarly, we can retrieve and display Corolla for the model, and 2001 for the year, confirming that our constructor function and the this keyword are working correctly to assign properties to the new car object. Now, we've expanded our car constructor function to include a method called displayName. This method is a function that combines the car's make and model into a single string. Notice how we are still using the this keyword to refer to the instance's own properties. When we call myCarDisplayName, the method returns Toyota Corolla, showing a combination of the make and model properties. This ability to include methods within the constructor function is a powerful feature of JavaScript constructors. In this HTML document, we have defined a simple style for our car information to make sure it's nicely displayed using an Arial font. Inside the script tag at the bottom of the body, we're taking the previously created mycar instance and injecting its properties into the inner HTML of the element with the id demo. This will update the content of our demo div to display the complete sentence. My car is a Toyota Corolla from 2001. On the web page, this shows how you can use JavaScript to dynamically display information about object instances on a web page.